There's a very specific mind model that you can adopt that will make you infinitely a better person, make you infinitely more successful, help you achieve more things. And it's this mind model, and I'm gonna make it so simple. It can extrapolate very, very, very fast. But I'm gonna keep it very simple. And the mind model that you need to adopt is just simply holding 100% accountability for every single thing that happens to you. And that's it, 100% accountability. Even being accountable on things that weren't even your fault. For an example, say you hire a sales professional and he's not very good. It's your fault because you hired him. So you get sued because of how bad he is. Well, it's his fault that he said that. Nope. That is your fault because you hired him without doing a big enough check on him. You hired him. Your training wasn't good enough. You need to be 100% accountable for everything that happens in your life. Somebody blows through a fucking stop sign and you hit them, it's your fault. You should have been more perspicacious and faster reacting to stop and not allow it to happen. I know it sounds ridiculous, but the point that I'm trying to make here is when you're 100% accountable for everything, then you start to put a lot of pressure on yourself, and this pressure is only going to make you a perfectionist. And when you're a perfectionist, you can then be wildly and monumentally successful by extension of just accounting for everything being your fault. You make a bunch of money, great, it was your fault. You lose a bunch of money, well, it was your fault. How do you fix it? Always say, it is my fault if it's a negative consequence. This is my fault, how do I fix it? And then you're gonna put it on yourself to go and fix it. It's a mind model that you can adopt that just cannot have any negative repercussions of it. Even if you're taking account for everything. If your girlfriend's acting up, it's your fault. She might be a bitch, but it's your fault. If you're a better man, you would have fixed her. You would have made her a better woman, right? Your woman is going to be the parallel of you. And so I can look at your woman and I can say that you're a good man or you're a bad man by extension of her. And this is a very common thing. Everything surrounding your life is going to be a reflection of who you are. I can look at majority of people's life and be like, I can tell if you're a good man or a bad man, or a good woman or a bad woman. I can just look at your life and just say, easy. Because everything in your life is in parallel. And if everything is your fault and you hold 100% accountability for every single thing that happens in your life, then you're going to have a lot of pressure on yourself to make sure everything is good. And then by extension of that, you become successful. And then everything that happens because you're successful is also your fault. And so that's the best part about it. If you start a new company and you're not successful, this is your fault. What are the things that you need to do to make it work? I'm not saying hold yourself accountable and then just don't do anything with it. Don't just drive yourself into a mental black hole of depression. No, use this as a motivating force. A motivating force to do better, to be a good person, to build and create for life. Don't be like, okay, I'm accountable for this and that's it. Say, I'm accountable for this. This was not good. How can I fix it? How can I be the superhero that everybody needs me to be to make sure that I take care of everybody that needs to be taken care of? That is who you need to be. That is the mind model that you need to adopt. And that in and of itself, like I said, this can extrapolate very heavy into the different mind models that you can adopt that will just make you monumentally successful. But the short and easy one is just to be 100% accountable for everything that happens in your life.